Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm from Austin, Texas, and I'm with Eve. Public safety is dealing with massive staff shortages right now, causing increased response times and increased crime rates. That's why we send a drone fast and first to your 911 call to make sure that operators have the data they need to make efficient decisions. Saving millions for the city in dollars, reducing response times, and providing a new layer of transparency. So if you're tired of watching safety decline in cities, watching fentanyl take our friends, and trafficking take our kids, good. I want you to come to booth 1, where together we're going to fix this. Thank you.
Thank you, Eve. Next one is creator.
Hi, everybody. 10 seconds. That's how long the average attention span is in this room. It's less than a goldfish. So if you're a challenger brand and you're trying to get the attention of your future customers, how are you going to do that? You're going to do that through influencers and through social media. Influencers are more authentic, they're highly engaged, they're more trustworthy, consumers are more likely to believe and buy what they suggest. Creator is a marketplace. We have over 250,000 registered creators in our community. We have a database of 250 million. We work with brands like Best Buy, Charlotte Tilbury, The Body Shop, Taos, Belroy, Pax, you name it. We work with over 100 brands, and we have a marketplace that makes it very easy for our customers to connect, collaborate, and drive meaningful conversions with the influencers they want to work with. We track all of the payments, we track all of the first-party data from Meta, we also connect Google Analytics as well as affiliate integrations from Shopify, Rakuten, Reversion, and so on. Thanks for listening.
Thank you, creator, and you can meet them at booth number 2. Next up is Cyrannus.
Hello, I'm Lee Mosbacher. I'm a physicist and entrepreneur. I've been in the venture ecosystem for 25 years. I run 2 venture funds and a $500 million hedge fund. I think venture's broken. So we're building a platform for everybody to reinvent the venture asset class. For founders, we're going to connect you to the best people in the world and fund you in 2 weeks. For experts, I think that you're better than the VCs, and I think you can help us pick the winners and the losers. We're going to make you partners in our fund. You're going to evaluate on our platform, and we're going to give you credits to reinvest back into the ecosystem. And for investors, we're going to provide you immediate liquidity and amazing data so that you can analyze your deals. If we remove these friction points, I think that we can unlock another $500 billion in new capital at the earliest stages. If you think this is interesting, stop by booth 3. We're also hosting this major event on Thursday in the city. The tiny URL is Better VC. Thank you.
Thank you. Next one is Inkle.
Hi, I'm Anand Krishna, co-founder and CEO of Inkle. Inkle automates income tax and bookkeeping. Our first product, Inkle Tax, is 18 months old and has 400 US paying companies onboarded. It automates deadline alerts, tax workflows, and more. Inkle Books is just 6 months old and has 350 paying companies onboarded. This replaces QuickBooks and a bookkeeper. We automate using AI, tax workflows, document vaults, deadline alerts, and more. We're excited about the disruption in this space. We are just under 2 years old. We are growing 300% year on year, touching $1 million run rate with almost no churn and high momentum. The founders have previous exits and YC alums, and we are a team of 30 in San Francisco and Bangalore. Thank you.
Thank you, Inkle. Make sure to meet them at booth number 4. Next one up is MeetGeek.
Hi, everyone. 15 years in meeting automation software has led us to a key insight. Forming effective habits is tough, especially with meetings, because they require more than one person. Also, leaders lack tooling and frameworks to enforce proper meeting strategies. So that's why we built a platform that complements the slow educational process of meeting management. We go beyond note-taking into personalized team and company-wide productivity. This includes meeting automation workflows with integrations with over 10,000 tools, meeting insights, and post-meeting collaboration and sharing. Today, we are redefining meeting standards for thousands of teams across more than 100 countries into multiple verticals and industries, and we are growing 30% each month. So if you care about the future of meetings, see you at booth number 5. Thank you.
Thank you, MeetGeek. Next one up is Metal.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. My name is Gul, and I'm the founder of Metal. Metal is an operating system for fundraising. Prior to starting Metal, I raised $120 million in venture financing for my first startup. And through that experience, I realized that the way founders identify investors is actually, it mimics how sales prospecting used to work in the 90s. There isn't a lot of data, and a lot of effort is going into guesswork. So what we have done is we've built a platform that allows founders to use historical data on venture deals to identify the most likely investors for their specific company. Founders can also integrate their LinkedIn and Gmail data to identify the optimal intro pathways leading into each investor. We have achieved 50,000 in ARR in the first 4 weeks of launch. We have more than 50 paying customers, and our customers love our product. So if you're raising capital, check us out at metal.so. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Metal. And the last one for this round is Sequifi.
Hi. Since our launch in December of 2023, Sequifi has grew 900% in revenue and growth to 450K in ARR and 2,400 users in our platform. Now that I have your attention, let me show you how we're changing the game. So by 2027, about 50% of the US workforce, which is 80 million workers, will be compensated based on their performance. That's where Sequifi steps in. Right now, all these workers, all these employers who contract these workers are stuck with using 5 different tools, with doing manual calculations and spreadsheets, which takes about 50 different 100 parameters involved in these calculations. This is where Sequifi can consolidate all these processes into one platform where you can onboard, calculate, and process pay all through one go. By 2028, Sequifi will be the HR operating system where you can onboard, calculate, and process pay for anyone in the world instantly. Thank you.